Okay, just like the last one, we're looking for text evidence that shows Walter's speech, thoughts, effect on others, and actions. But this time we're going to do a scene in reality and watch how it contrasts with his fantasy. So first, let's get rid of these instructions. Let's make our text box. And let's look for an example of speech when Walter is talking to the guy trying to park his car. So remember, in his fantasy, look how confident he is. "Quiet, man," said Minnie in a low, cool voice. "Give me a fountain pen. That will hold for 10 minutes, he said. "Get on with the operation." Let's see how he talks in reality to the garage guy. Gee, yeah, muttered Mitty. So, does that seem very confident? Control C. Paste. Oh, Control V. Gee, yeah, muttered Mitty. If you want to give some more examples, we can do one more. Let's see. Then Mitty gets out of the car, and the mechanic's like, "Hey, dude, could you leave the key for me?" And Mitty's like, "Oh." And he hands him the key. So we got G, yeah, and O. Not exactly sounding like the most confident guy in the world. So you guys need to do this for thoughts, effect on others, actions, and I don't think there's an example for looks. So just this, and this.